This is a vintage 1973 Bionic transport and repair station made by Kenner. It's in the original box with the original instructions, and it's 100% complete. The box is in fair condition. It's missing the top flap and has typical shelf wear for something of its age. The toy itself is in really good condition. As you can see, there's very little discoloration to the rocket. Even the clear window has minimal yellowing. All of the decals are there. All of the switches work. Nothing is missing. The instructions are also in really good shape. No tears, no rips, minimal discoloration, and all of the parts to use when you open it up to make it the repair station are in this baggie. You got the feet, you got the hoses, the X-ray panel. I don't think I was showing you when I was talking. I was not looking at the camera. Here's the 6 feet, the arms that hold the other parts, all 6 hoses, the X-ray station. Here it is opened up. I haven't attached all of the accessory pieces, but you can see it's really nice and clean. All of the switches work. Let me adjust this light here if it's possible. There we go. You can see the decals in there, the red one, the yellow one, the green one, and they change when you move this switch here. Decals are all nice and bright. Here's the other side, which you wouldn't really see when you're using it as the repair station, but it's in great shape. No cracks, chips, scratches, or any serious discoloration. You can get it at litoygame.com.